Good morning, students. Today, I will be discussing part 2 of various peripheral devices and their uses. In the last video, I discussed input and output devices. In output devices, I discussed monitor. Today, I will be discussing, yes, some other output devices as well as the storage devices that we use in our PC. Okay, now printer. As you all know, printer is an output device. Using this, we can get our data, we can get output. Okay, a printer is a device used to print the files stored on computer on paper. The output produced on paper is called hard copy. I already discussed what is soft copy and hard copy. The result that you get it on the monitor, that is your soft copy, and the output that you get it on the paper, that will be your hard copy. Okay. Now, commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet, and laser. We are using only these three type of printer, and these are used in market. First one, so I can say in other way that the printer can be divided in two parts. One is the impact printer and other one is non-impact printer. You can understand impact printer which produce sound while printing and non-impact printer which doesn't produce sound while printing. If I'm talking about the impact, then the best example is your dot matrix. When I'm talking about the non-impact, the best example is your inkjet and laser printer. Okay. Now, what is dot matrix printer? It is the most commonly used character printer. That is, it prints one character at a time. Okay, most of the dot matrix printers are, yes, bidirectional. That is, they print one line of text from left to right and then next line from right to left. Okay, actually it prints the character. Okay, but how the characters get printed? By collection of dots. Okay, so once your first line gets completed, then it goes to the next line, yes, to print the, yes, next, yes, line characters. Students, generally we use the inkjet printer. In our home, you will see inkjet printer because this printer can fulfill our all this type of work. We can get the colorful output. Even we have to print a letter, that also we can do it. Okay, so that's why nowadays you see many of the people, okay, they are having the inkjet printer, but in commercial purpose, okay, yes, laser printers are used. Okay, in offices you see, in school you will see such type of printers are used. Okay, because they have only one thing in mind, that anyhow my data should be printed very fast. So that's why in offices you will see laser printer. Even in offices you see dot matrix printers. Many offices they are still using, yes, the dot matrix printer because dot matrix printer is less expensive. Okay. See, next one is the plotter. Plotter is also an output device, but it is used to print large size output. Okay. If you want that the large size output should be printed, yes, on a paper or on a chart or on a polyester film, then this plotter will help a lot. This is used by engineers. Okay. Next one is a speaker. A speaker is an output device because we get something from a speaker, and what we get, the sound. We are having two types of speaker. One is the inbuilt speaker, another one is the external speaker. You already seen external speaker in your desktop. Internal speaker you have seen in your laptop. Okay. Now, the next part is storage device. You all know we use this device to store our data permanently. Okay. Now, first of all, I will discuss CD, DVDs. Okay. Even we are using Blu-ray disc also. Okay. CD is compact disc, DVD is digital versatile disc. Actually, these discs we are using to record our data permanently in our PC. Some, yes, devices that will let you, yes, read only the data. Okay. And some devices you have where you can read and write the data. But if you want to record, erase, at that time you must have to go for CDRW device. That means compact disc, read as well as write one. Okay, where you can write, yes, many times, yes, the data. But for such, yes, purposes, you have to use special type of CD. Not I'm talking about a normal CD. Okay, same technology that is used in DVD also. Okay, now you have the capacity. In CD you will have less space, like I'm talking about the CD, hardly 700 MB data you can store it. But in DVD you can store up to 4.7 GB data. As you know, if I'm comparing the GB with MB, then 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. Okay. And I'm talking about 4.7 GB. It is near about, you can say, yes, 6 or 7 times. Next one is the pen drive. Okay. This is a portable disk. Okay. Yes, you can say by other name flash drive. Okay. Here in this drive, you can store your data easily, and you can carry it also from one place to another place. Okay, because it is a portable device, small device, my dear. Okay, where you can store, yes, more datas. It can be up to 64, 128 GB datas. You think. Next one is your external hard disk. You know, you have two types of disks. Already I discussed internal and external. Internal, which is already fixed in your laptop or in your desktop. Okay. Now, what is external hard disk? Yes, this type of disks, yes, are, yes, a portable disk. Okay. You can carry your data, okay, yes, easily, yes, with this device. Okay, like suppose I have a seminar and I have recorded this whole thing in my PC, and this data I have to carry from one place to another place. As you know, in pen drive, hardly 100, yes, 28 GB data you can store. But think about, my data is of 1 terabyte. Then how I can store it, how I can carry this data, yes, from one PC to another PC. At that time I will go for external hard disk. Okay, where I can store my data up to 2 terabyte. Okay, easily we can transfer it, yes, to USB port, sorry, to the external hard disk, that is also called as, yes, portable hard disk. It is also called as USB hard disk. Yes, we can transfer this data directly to the external hard disk, and carry this data, yes, from one place to another place. Okay, I hope you have understood these all topics, my